Hey gang, just got done cleaning up the 2017 BMW R1200GS, and I just wanted to get a quick video of the right front cylinder. It's making some clattering noise when I start it up from a cold start, and doing a little research on it, it seems that it might be the cam decompression, cylinder decompression mechanism. It is mostly prevalent on the right-hand side, but you know, I mean, it's a little annoying for a $20,000 machine that has these sort of mechanical noises. Never heard this on any other motorcycle that I've owned, and I have owned quite a few. So anyway, let me get your thoughts on this, and we'll go ahead and fire this thing up. Okay, here we are looking at the right hand side of the motorcycle, and I will go ahead and fire this thing up. Okay, you can see that the noise goes away almost immediately within a couple of seconds, so could very well be the decompression mechanism, but let's hear from the experts.